Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Resetting your Night Owl DVR to factory settings is easy. You might need to do this if you forgot your password. You may also want to fix software glitches. First, turn on your DVR and monitor. Use your mouse to right-click anywhere on the screen. A small menu will appear. Select the main menu icon. You will need to log in now. If you do not know the password, you must contact support. Once logged in, look for the Setup or Advanced tab. Click on the Maintenance section. Look for a button that says Default or Factory Reset. Click that button. A pop-up window will ask for confirmation. Select all settings to be cleared. Click OK or Apply. The system will now reboot. This process takes a few minutes. Do not turn off the power during this time. Your DVR will restart with original settings. Some models have a physical reset button on the back. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 seconds. The lights on the front will flash. This means the reset is working. Wait for the system to boot back up. You will see the startup wizard. Follow the prompts to set a new password. Make sure you write down your new login info. This will prevent future lockouts. Your recorded videos should still be on the hard drive. Only the system settings change. Now your Night Owl DVR is ready for a fresh setup. You can adjust your camera and recording preferences again. This simple fix solves most common technical issues. You should check your network cables after the reboot.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.